Hi, hello friends, welcome everyone to Precision Price Action Pro Trader series. In this special video, we are going to talk about the scary emotions in trading. How many of you think trading is easy? How many of you think trading is difficult? People who do paper trading will have zero emotions. I am strongly against people who do paper trading. I am fine if you are trying to validate the performance of the strategy based on historic data, but in real time you take a note and you say I enter here, sorry, it's useless. It is like sitting outside a swimming pool and then trying to use your hands and act that you are doing swimming, sorry, that means nothing. You need to experience when you dive into the water, because that is the realistic scenario. Okay, paper trading will never give you the experience of real time trading. It is like playing video cricket in video games. No, you should go to the ground and play. And when you do real time, you will be exposed to the emotions of trading. Why? Because it involves money. Money gives happiness, money brings fear, money brings threat, money brings problems, right? Money brings everything. The root cause of all miseries in the world is money, not anything else. Okay, money is good because if you are ambitious, if it creates problems, if you are greedy. Now, these are the four biggest emotions in trading: ignorance, fear, greed, impatience. You know what is ignorance? Ignorance is ignoring a particular process. For example, ignorance is ignoring a particular process because you think you know everything. I am from IIT, I am from IIM, I am the most talented guy, but let me tell you honestly, your education, even if you are from Harvard, Stanford, Carnegie Mellon, Cambridge, Oxford, it means nothing to the stock market. It doesn't care anybody. When it doesn't care anybody, you are nobody. Market only respects people who follow process. I always tell people, please keep your ego outside, because stock markets have much bigger ego. Okay, if you ignore a process, a step, a logic, a rule, you are very close to the disaster, and once you experience it, you will become a philosopher. The next important guy is fear. I always tell people, when you go to sleep after your trade, in your dreams, if the fear of your trade is coming, your position sizing is wrong. Because I have experienced it myself. There are so many times my trade comes in my sleep, and I have spoken to many traders, many people have confessed to me. And most of the trading dreams are negative dreams, not positive. You don't get a dream of making money in market. You will only get a dream of loss, a fear of failure. Okay? And that will happen only when you deviate from your position sizing story, or your risk management, or your money management. So how do you control fear? Stick to the process. Stick to the rule books. Stick to the logic, stop loss, target, trailing, portfolio stop loss, portfolio trailing, all those things when you keep in place, then you will not have any fear. Okay? And the next very important thing is greed. Greed can mess anything in life. Anything is excess is poison. The greed of profits in short term will throw people into abnormal situations. I know so many people who buy deep out of the money options, assuming some lottery scenario will happen, and they lose all their money. Recently, about 2 weeks back, I will not pick his name, probably you guys would definitely know him, one of the well-known traders of Bangalore came to my office asking for money. I said, dude, you have so much of money, bugger, why do you want my money? Ashok, I lost everything. come on, you said you started from 10 lakhs, you touched almost 60, 70 lakhs. Said, you're right, I touched it, but I took one mega trade. I thought this is the last betting. With that, I thought of crossing 1 crore and slow down later and push that money into something, but that one trade threw me out of market. That is the James Cordier moment for this guy. How many of you remember James Cordier, the so-called author of the best-selling book, How to Make Stellar Returns in Bull and Bear Market by Rating Options? He lost $200 million in one trade, natural gas. All because of position sizing and risk management. Okay? If you want to make all the money that you are supposed to do in 1 year, the problems of all those so-called 1 year will come to you in one time. And the next important thing is impatience. Market is all about waiting. I always tell people, traders should be like donkeys. They should not be like monkeys. A donkey trader will do well. Why? Because a donkey has its own narrow-mindedness. It has a structure, it has a process, it will keep following that. Markets never give excitement. World's most successful strategies are very, very boring. World's most troublesome loss-making strategies are super exciting. If you want excitement, go to a casino, right? Why do you want to go and lose money in stock market? Go to a casino, go to Goa, go to Las Vegas, go to Malaysia, go to Singapore, go to Sri Lanka. So why do you want to do trading? Trading is a very, very boring process. You need to be patient. If you get impatient, market will punish. Market has no mercy on anybody. The beauty, the ultimate beauty of financial market is it's democratic. It doesn't care about a religion, caste, color, creed, country. It will punish anyone who doesn't follow its rule book. Market is that democratic. That is the greatness of stock market. The only way to control these four emotions of greed, fear, impatience, ignorance is that you stick to a structured strategy verified over a period of minimum 5 years and then taking live after confirmation with positive expectancy, and finally, like a donkey, repeatedly doing the same thing again and again until you hit 30% drawdown. That is the whole process of trading, and which will control all the scary emotions. To be honest with you, I have become a level, in Mahabharata, in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna states Sthita Prajna. So when you are happy, you will not expect too much of happiness. When you are suffering and sorrow, you will not react too much. You will be in a state of calmness all across, and you will not react emotionally to anything that is happening around you. That is Sthita Prajna. A trader should be like that, Sthita Prajna. Okay? So start thinking in those lines, and I am sure as time progresses, you will definitely control the scary emotions and emerge victorious. Alright, with this we come to the end of the session. In the subsequent sessions, we will talk more about some more interesting topics. Here is a quick announcement. Traders Conclave 2022, one of the largest residential conference, is happening in Bangalore for stock market traders and investors. For the first time in history, about 100 trainers and mentors across India are joining us. Okay, you will have the biggest opportunity to meet all those mentors, talk to them, collaborate with them, discuss with them, get inspired by them. The prices have been kept very, very low. For more details, log into the website tradersconclave.com, and there will be some amazing sessions. Also, we are coming out with a brilliant event called Gurukul Premier League. So, the first of its kind knowledge competition for all retail traders, and we are going to identify the top 10 superstars in that event. Don't miss it. I look forward to see you in Traders Conclave. Thank you very much.
Are you tired of stock market losses? Tired of hundreds of boring indicators and the frequent drawdowns? Do you want to understand how to trade markets without indicators? How institutions cheating the retail traders, and how to make fair and consistent trading methods? The answer is IT3T Mega Webinar, India's most comprehensive and 100% money back guarantee training program for stock market investing and trading. And what do you learn from this webinar? Techno fundamental investing, WD GAN techniques, precision price action trading, the option trading strategies, algo trading, and also trading psychologies. So it is a package of 200 world-class investing and trading books jam-packed into the 12 days of webinar. And what you can expect from IT3T: genuine training program with examples and assignments, no indicators, real-life examples, proven and reliable methods. And what you shouldn't be expecting is holy grail formulas, zero loss strategies, 90% win rate stories, get quick rich Ponzi schemes. And we also have students across the globe. The three things IT3T always promises is 100% money back guarantee program, 100% brokerage credit, 100% lifetime learning. But that's not it. We have an early bird offer for you at just 35,000 rupees for first 25 students. So how do you enroll the IT3T program? Simple. Just log on to www.i3t3.in or contact our webinar manager